us to get back to work. Well, for your information, this is our union contract coffee break. If you're in a hurry, do it yourself. We're behind schedule with this rebuild. Keep it coming. You want a pool now? Why don't you do it? All you do is dig a hole, pour some concrete, just add water.
Well, sir, the crown molding for your study is in, the flagstone is finished in the patio, and the tennis courts are done.
Those are the hidden costs. You should know that by now. No money, no mansion. Come on, guys, shut it down!
Oh, yeah, let's go.